Hey traders, hope you're having a great day. XLM is looking slightly bullish this week and is currently trading around the $0.21, $0.22 range. Could this momentum continue in the days ahead? Let's jump into the analysis and see what the charts are telling us. Hey traders, that's it for today's analysis. If you'd like access to fresh crypto scalp and swing signals, high profit potential trade setups are now available on Patreon. Join for just $10 per month, link in the description and bio. And remember, always do your own research before making any trading decisions. This is not financial advice. Thanks for watching and happy trading!